We are also working developing news out of our nation's capital. President Donald Trump announcing his pick for Supreme Court Justice tonight to fill the seat of the late Antonin Scalia.
The president nominated Judge Neil Gorsuch of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the position, fulfilling a campaign promise to fill the seat immediately. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian is live in studio now with more.
Well, Mike Shannon, the future of the Supreme Court was one of the biggest issues in last year's presidential campaign. Both candidates warned that on issues from abortion and gay rights to the environment, future rulings were on the line.
Judge Neil Gorsuch.
President Trump announces his pick for the Supreme Court. Federal Appeals Court Judge Neil Gorsuch.
Judge Gorsuch has outstanding legal skills, a brilliant mind, tremendous discipline.
If confirmed, the 49-year-old from Colorado would succeed Judge Antonin Scalia, who died nearly 1 year ago.
Standing here in a house of history and acutely aware of my own imperfections, I pledge that if I am confirmed, I will do all my powers permit to be a faithful servant of the Constitution and laws of this great country.
Because Gorsuch would replace a fellow conservative, experts say his appointment would not tip the court's balance of power. To break a Democratic filibuster in the Senate, Gorsuch would need to earn 60 votes, which means he'd need the support of 8 Senate Democrats. Senator Sheldon Whitehouse serves on the Senate Judiciary Committee and released a statement saying, in part, for years a gang of 5 Republican appointees took direction from big right-wing lobbies. This has to stop, and Judge Gorsuch must pledge to stop it.
When we judges don our robes, it doesn't make us any smarter, but it does serve as a reminder of what's expected of us. Impartiality and independence, collegiality and courage.
And the remainder of Rhode Island's fully Democratic congressional delegation also voiced their concerns about Trump's pick for the Supreme Court tonight. Jack Reed has just released a statement, our other senator, saying in part, I am concerned that Judge Gorsuch has a tendency to favor the interests of big corporations and special interests over everyday Americans. Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.